Welcome everyone to this peaceful X-Mex journey. In this video, we are exploring the art of X-Mex decoration from small hanging displays, the craft, to stocking ornaments, to the hidden benefits of mindfulness decorating. X-Mex isn't just about lights and sparkle. It's about joy, warmth, and connection. So let's discover how even the smallest hanging ornaments can bring calmness, creativity, and meaning to your festive season. When we step into a small during Xmas, the atmosphere changing instantly. The soft music, the glowing lights, the giant hanging stars, and snowflakes, all awaking the child within us. These small hanging decorations are more than beauty, they symbolize celebration, unity, and togetherness. You can recreate that magic at home by hanging large paper. Hope you're enjoying these very well. So, you can recreate that magic at home by hanging large paper stars. Wooden snowflakes or DIY wreath made from jute, ribbon, or burlap. Wall hanging with yarn. Very beautiful, amazing collection and hanging decoration and very creative ideas. All people love to buy these type of ideas, these types of craft. Hang them near window in hallways or above your dining area. Anywhere you want to bring a sense of wonder. Next, let's talk about hanging crafts, simple yet magical creations that fill your home with handmade charm. Try making small felt ornaments, paper, angels, or jute. Wrap stars and balls, wrap balls with yarn and strings. You can also reuse old material like cardboard, twine, or softwood fabric to craft something new. String them together with beads or fairy lights for a floating garland effect. Each handmade hanging piece carries love, creativity, and your personal touch, something you cannot buy in a store. Now, no Xmas is complete without the classic hanging stocking. Traditionally hung by the fireplace, they remind us of hope, giving, and joy. So, string them together. Try making small felt ornaments or jute wrap with stars, materials like cardboard, twine, or leftover fabric to craft something new. String them together. Beads or fairy lights for a floating garden effect. Each handmade hanging piece carries love, creativity, and your personal touch. Something you cannot buy in a store. A story of hope. Now, no Xmas is complete without the classic hanging stockings traditionally hung by the fireplace. They remind us of hope, giving, and joy. You can create stockings from felt, wool, or recycled fabric and decorate them with buttons, ribbons, or bells. Hang them not only for gifts but as decorate along stairs, rails on the wall, or at the end of beads. Each stocking tells a story, a moment of kindness, a tradition passed down, or a wish waiting to be fulfilled. Now let's move to the tiny details that make the biggest difference. Small ornaments, mini bells, pine cones, candy cans, tiny gifts boxes, and miniature wreath can be hung anywhere on trees, windows, fireplace, or even doorknobs. You can group them in color, theme, gold, and white for elegance, red and green for tradition, or silver and blue for a winter feel. Use mason jars filled with small ornaments as table decor or hang them from branches in a vase for a minimalist X-Mix tree. Small things create big feelings. Everyday needs ornaments add texture, sparkle, and meaning to your space. Beyond beauty, let's pause to reflect on the benefits. Decorating for X-Max decorating lifts your mood, it reduces the stress, it brings families together. When you hang lights, wrap garlands, or arrange ornaments, your brain releases dopamine, the happiness hormone. That's why even seeing twinkling lights can make us feel warm inside. Decorate also gives a sense of belonging and comfort, reminding us that beauty can be created with our own hands. It's mindfulness in motion, being present, creative, and grateful to the small moments that make life meaningful. This is where mindfulness meets arts. When you decorate your home this Xmas, let every action be mindful. Feel the fabric of the stocking. Notice the glow of each light. Breathe in the scent of pine and cinnamon. This is where mindfulness meets art. When your hands create and your heart feels, in these simple moments we connect with peace, family, and ourselves. So this Xmas decoration is just for the eyes, but for the soul, hang your craft stocking.